In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your workbench to a rare workbench, or in other words, tier 3. To do this, we need 12 Knotroot rods, 15 marble slabs, 6 sand claws, and 3 sand shells. Now, these first two you get from grassland caves. The first one you get from caves of any kind. Obviously, we've collected many of this as the game has progressed. I'll grab some Knotroot, and we'll need to create 12 Knotroot rods. So I'll come to a lumber mill, select Knotroot rod, equip it, and we'll start making 12 of these. Now, we also need 15 marble slabs. Once again, you've probably done this already for the main village upgrade over here, but if you haven't, you'll need a stone breaker. Grabbing some of our marble, we'll interact with our stone breaker, select marble slab, and we'll deposit 15 of these. Now, all we need to do is wait for these to complete. On top of this, for the last two items, you need sand claws and sand shells. Now, sand claws you'll find inside of the desert biomes over here, or wherever they are on your map. In my case, I had to travel quite a distance from where I am to get any orange and grey wolves. They're much higher level than the normal wolves, but when you kill them, they'll drop 4 claws each. So in order to upgrade our bench, we need to kill 2 wolves in the desert and pick up their claws. Then the sand shells are from sand rollers, either in the desert or on beaches / other sandy areas. Once again, you'll need to head all the way out to wherever they are and look for yellow rollers instead of normal grey stone rollers. And when you kill them, once again, they are slightly more difficult than normal rollers. You'll get 1 sand shell per animal that you get. So once we've got 3 sand shells and 6 sand claws, we'll need to collect our refined materials, obviously creating inventory space. So there we go. We'll pick up our rods, and also in a little bit longer, we'll be able to pick up our marble slabs. These do take a lot longer to craft, so it's probably a good idea to start with these first. And there we go. We've made 14. Well, we need one more. We've made 15 marble slabs. Now we can head back to our crafting table or crafting bench upgrade, and actually upgrade the thing. When we do it, it'll take a few seconds. And after 2 loops of the short hammering animation, we've now unlocked our upgraded crafting bench. This gives us the green pickaxe, which we make with flexwood rods and sand claws. We've also unlocked the forest axe, which is a much upgraded version of the axe, even stronger and can chop even more, as well as the hearty totem, which gives us 3 hearts and 5 armor, as well as the health charm, which gives us 3 hearts and 5 armor once more. Both of these use cut amber, sand claws, and wool thread, but the hardy totem uses sand shells, and the health charm uses flexwood rod. The health charm gives us extra max health, but the hardy totem gives us max health, the same amount of armor, and on top of this, when we gain full health, we gain bonus hearts for a few seconds afterwards. Super useful. We can upgrade it once more, but the next one is quite a distance away. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.